forgot to say that I do. Okay. Hello. Welcome back. Today I'm going to do a hair tutorial real quick because I'm trying to go see my man for his lunch break. So I'm just going to do 2 cute buns. Really, I shouldn't do anything because my hair looks popping. But once it dries, it won't be so popping. My hair kind of has a mind of its own. Okay, so I have a part. I take part of my hair, put it to the side. Right. So I'm going to be using the Cantu Define and Shine Custard, and then some edge control, which I definitely need to re-up on. Okay. I'll just get a little bit, put it through my hair. My hair loves product, oil, water, you name it. My hair loves it. Except for heat. It hates heat. And it punishes me for putting heat in it. So I think my 2 buns may become 2 ponytails because this looks really cute with this pink shirt. Gonna just brush the back. Ready? Get my scrunchie. I wear my hair very tight, thanks to my mother. She's been doing this to me since I was a child. So it's just in my nature. And then midway through the day, I'm crying about a headache. But it's my own fault. I might go with 2 ponytails, guys. What do y'all think? Okay, so that's that on that side. Get a little more product. Put it through and through. My boyfriend has lunch at 11:45. I started this video at 11:30. I found out he had lunch at 11:45 at 11:20. So, homegirl's trying to make it. I told him I wasn't coming, but of course I still want to come. I want to surprise him. We see each other at home, yes I know, but it's always us 3. Sometimes it's good to have quality time with each of them on their own. What did I do with my scrunchie? There it goes. Alright. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to take the edge control and just lick down the edges. And they're in the same spot. Good job, Amethyst. Good job. Okay. Again, I use the Cantu Define and Shine Curl Custard. Now I'm going to secure my edges with some edge control. Oh, I forgot to mention that his job is... so I'm gonna get there late. but at least I get to make him happy. And that, my friends, is my tutorial, or get ready with me, using 2 products that I love. And I use this in my son's hair when it's long. My boyfriend uses this. We all love this product. Alright, so I made it back from lunch. I surprised him. He was really happy. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to show you all the finished look on my hair and how the product does. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and the more the merrier.